everybody, my name is Carol from Circus Imagination, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a tiger face paint. It's super easy. You can do this by yourself. All you're going to need is black, white, orange, yellow face paints. Let's do this. This tiger mask is going to have white mouth and also white eyes. One curve on this side. Follow the nose, one curve on that side, and you want these curves to end together with your lips. And then fill it in. Just one stroke, touch the edge of your eyes, curve in and up. Now let's do the second stroke. Start on the edge of the eye, follow your eyebrow and go up and touch the other line. Same over here. Start on the edge of your eye, follow your eyebrow and go up and touch the first line. Now fill those in with white. So get your yellow brush, and the first thing I want you to do is, starting from in between your eyebrows, paint your nose. Now from your nose out, I want you to follow the white line right there. And again on the other side. Now whatever is left of that yellow in your brush, we're gonna fill in those lines. Fill, 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 fill. And then here, fill, 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 fill. So I want to make sure that when I do my orange, I leave that outer line available to outline. Just like this. Start right here on the white part and push your brush in and connect to the yellow. Now go a little bit under and do it again. Connect to the yellow. And then again, and then again. All the way down to the white. Now let's do the same to the other side. Same thing for the top. Start in the middle, one stroke down, next to it, and just fill it in. For the blackout lines, I'm going to use a thin brush. The first stroke, I want you to angle your hand up. Start at the edge of your nose right there, and we're going to go up and follow that white line. Then again on the other side, edge of the nose, up, follow the white line. Now let's do the lion nose. Start on the side of your nose, go up, and down. Now fill in the bottom. Now I want you to do one straight line coming from under your nose to your upper lip and widen it at the bottom like a triangle. This stripe is going to go up and come back down. Up and down. Again on the other side, up and down. Go up and up. Now let's outline the face. Start on the top of your white, follow it down and match your lip. And on the other side. Now let's give it some stripes. Let's start with the eyes. I want you to do 3 curves over here to connect. 1, 2, 3. Again on the other side. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna follow the smile line up and down. One, two, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. We're making the hairs. 1, 2, 1, 2. And let's give our tiger teeth. Straight down from the edge of your mouth. It was really great to face paint with you. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. I'll see you next time.